Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to pay with Gcash on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or go and register to one if you don't have one. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and what you actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the address and the search bar. Now in the bottom side of the screen, we have the home, shops, search, and the account options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with Gcash on Foodpanda. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So firstly, what you need to do is go and click, as you can see, on anything that you would like to buy. So for instance, let's go for some pizzas. And then I just need to go and find a restaurant here. After finding a restaurant, what you need to do is go and click the plus button on something that you would like to buy. For instance, this pizza, click the plus button on it. After that, go back to the main screen and it will be in your top right corner in your shopping cart. Here will be your food. Now you just need to go and order it, but when you have the option to pay for it, you'll just need to go and click on Gcash instead of credit card or just cash. At the moment, my credit card is not working, so that's why I can't demonstrate that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.